Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a group chat on TikTok. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your Android and iOS, and then from here basically you need to tap on that inbox icon here. Just tap on that inbox here and then tap on the message icon at the top right here, and here you can see that we have this option where it says select a group chat. Okay, so click on this one, and now basically what you're gonna have to do, first of all you have to select some of your friends. So let's suppose if I select this friend here, and I select this friend here, and basically here you can see that it says start group chat. So just click on this one, and now you can see that we have just make a new group chat on TikTok. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.